Welcome everyone. We will begin the third edition of Partner Connect, an initiative to share success stories and secret formulas of success, which many of our partners have found extremely useful. And what made them successful is something which they would like to share. And we thought this is a right opportunity where we should invite people who have done something different in growing their business or have taken some initiative which has really helped them to scale up their business. So with this context, today we have Mr. Vishal Babbar with us, who is a progress partner in Noida and had been doing extremely good in selling life insurance. And along with Mr. Vishal, we have entire Progress Partner channel team also with us, with Mr. Vikas Ved, Ms. Nilima Nayak, Mr. Ajay Pandey, Mr. Ankit Vaishnav, Mr. Vinay Chola, Mr. Rajnikant, Mr. Jay Kishore, etc. All team members of the PP channel are with us to support this initiative. So with this, I will begin the session. And the first thing which comes to our mind before we request Mr. Vishal to share his insights is that Mr. Vishal Babbar had been constantly being ranked as the insurance star of the month. The journey which he began in March 2020 by getting a 5 lakh rupee premium, and from there on there's no looking back, and he had been constantly performing, and he's able to sustain this performance over a long period of time. So without much ado, Mr. Vishal, welcome to the show, and I hope you are ready
Yeah, thank
for a grilling 30-minute session
Yeah,
where we
sure.
will like to pick your mind and uh, also engage our audience in terms of what made you do it and how you do it. So, Mr. Vishal, this format will be like a conversation where basically we will try to ask you some basic questions which are the pain points of all the partners, or maybe all the people who are in the financial products selling space. So the
Okay.
first thing what we want to ask you is, what made you think to start selling insurance business?
Uh, Thank you, Piyush Bhai. First, I introduce myself. My name is Vishal Babbar. I have done my MBA in finance. I work with India Bulls and Fortune Equity Brokers. And from last 3 months, I am with Prabhudas as progress partner. Uh, Piyush Bhai, as you know, the revenue from stock broking business is declining due to heavy competition and constant changes in SEBI rules. For me, diversification was important to reduce my dependency on only stock broking. मुझे ये लगा कि एक्चुअली क्या है कि सिर्फ अभी स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग पे रहना तो वहां से इनकम जनरेट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो गया है। तो
Correct.
आए कुछ ना कुछ मुझे क्रॉस सेल करना था प्रोडक्ट। तो इंश्योरेंस जब पीएल ने इंश्योरेंस इंट्रोड्यूस किया तो आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि मुझे क्रॉस सेलिंग करनी चाहिए और इंश्योरेंस में आगे बढ़ सकता हूं मैं और उसमें बढ़ना चाहिए मुझे। सो दैट वेयर आई स्टार्टिंग थिंकिंग ऑफ सेलिंग इंश्योरेंस।
Okay, great, Vishalji. And you are bang on point that dependency on single income stream can become extremely problematic in the current situation where the margins are falling, the brokerage rates are falling, the competition is increasing,
या
and stockbroking is going through actually a very big transformational stage. So yes, we definitely appreciate that you had that mindset of actually diversifying your income by cross selling. But generally विशाल जी, हमने ये देखा है कि क्रॉस सेलिंग इज नॉट अ वेरी इजी थिंग. it
राइट।
it, it's really difficult.
यस
So
यस।
when and how you started insurance cross selling,
हाँ
वो
हाँ।
इवेंट या वो ट्रिगर कहाँ से आया, वो शुरू कहाँ से हुआ आपने? इनकम डाइवर्सिफिकेशन का जब आपने सोचा, तो बाद में वो ट्रिगर कैसे आए वेर इन यू got into selling this insurance product also?
Actually, Mr. Vinay Chola from Prabhudas had called me in January 2020 that PL has introduced contest in insurance and told me you should also sell insurance. At that time, I was little hesitant because I was doing stockbroking from last 10 years, and suddenly, how can I sell insurance?
So
So
there was a
that,
problem of mindset.
yeah. So this required huge change in my mindset. But I
Hmm.
took this as challenge and start this journey with first understanding the insurance plans, and then by calling and sending messages to my clients and explain them about insurance. In starting 1 2 months, I have not received good response because myself was not educated about insurance plans.
But you took
Okay.
it very well, Vishalji, I
Yeah,
must
yeah.
say, because in March you did a good 5 lakhs and this quarter you did about 3 lakhs.
Yes, yes, yes.
Amazing journey. Within 3 months, you try to learn insurance and try to pitch to your clients. That was an amazing journey from your end.
Yes, yes. Yeah, thank you.
So Vishal,
Actually, that time I prepared my mindset कि नहीं मुझे तो करना है. जब जनवरी फरवरी में शुरू हुआ स्टार्ट हुआ तो उस टाइम पे ये मेरे दिमाग में था नहीं मुझे अब तो करना है. So I focused on पहले first 2 3 plans initially. Where your insurance team, Mr. Vinay, Tripti, and Piyush Bhai helped me. तो वहां से जब जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ तो वहां पे मुझे ये था कि अब तो ये इंश्योरेंस में अगर स्टार्ट किया है तो अब कुछ ना कुछ मार्च में जनवरी फरवरी में जब 2 महीने लग गए इसमें विदाउट एनी कोई उस टाइम पे आया नहीं. तो मार्च में जब विनय जी से बात हुई कि भाई कहाँ पे अटक रहे हैं हम, तो उन्होंने आगे हेल्प की कि आप कहाँ पे कैसे क्लाइंट को पिच कर सकते हो, क्या कौन सा क्लाइंट क्या प्लान ले सकता है. तो फिर वहां पे एक माइंडसेट बन गया और फिर वो स्टार्ट हो गया.
super Vinay. So you touched a very right point that when you started insurance, first 2 3 2 months initially you didn't got good response, and that could have broken your confidence possibly.
हम्म.
So what made you really confident that you will succeed in insurance and then you continued? What was that trigger?
Piyush bhai, this is a good question. Actually, what matter in the business is confidence of the owner. And my confidence came from 3 things. First, I already have more than 300 client. They are associated with me last 7 to 8 years. क्योंकि मैं पिछले 8 से 10 साल से ब्रोकिंग फील्ड में हूँ, तो इतने क्लाइंट से मेरा लिंक बन चुका है अभी तक, और उनसे मेरा रिलेशन जो है वो काफी डीप है, और एज वेल देयर फैमिलीज ऑल्सो. तो वहां पे मुझे एक्चुअली क्या है कि एक रहता है कि भाई किस क्लाइंट को क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है उस टाइम पे. अब क्लाइंट से बात करो तो क्लाइंट से पता लगता है कि क्लाइंट को कौन सा प्लान क्लिक कर सकता है, या उसकी फैमिली के हिसाब से हम कौन सा प्लान प्लान उसको दे सकते हैं. एंड एक उनका एक क्लाइंट का ट्रस्ट जो है वो एक मेरे पे बना हुआ है.
Mhm.
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो गया.
पुराने में. हेलो.
विशाल जी आपकी थोड़ी बीच में वॉइस फेल हो गई
वॉइस
थी.
ब्रेक हो रही है आपकी.
इफ यू कैन रिपीट. ट्रस्ट, आप ट्रस्ट के ऊपर थे.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, my client trust me a lot that they does not go anywhere else for any financial services expect me. So ये थोड़ा सा हेल्प करता है मेरे को उनको प्लान बताने में और इंश्योरेंस करने में उनके साथ. तो वहां पे क्या है कि एक बॉन्ड बना हुआ है स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग की वजह से. तो वहां पे मुझे हेल्प मिल जाती है इंश्योरेंस बेचने में भी.
ग्रेट. सो विशाल जी,
हाँ,
आपने
बट
तो अभी आंसर किया.
हाँ,
यस.
बट पीयूष भाई, द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम वाज द लैक ऑफ माय नॉलेज ऑफ इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट. उस टाइम पे मेरे को इतना नॉलेज नहीं था इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट में. तो वहां पे मुझे जो प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा बड़ी थी.
So Vishal ji, what you did to improve your knowledge in insurance and to reinforce the confidence?
Actually, Piyush bhai, there are so many products and they are very confusing. Being in stock market and devoting time is also a problem. We stay busy from 9:30 to 3:30.
Correct.
So every day I allotted 1 hour for improving my knowledge for insurance product. I used to call everyone. मैंने कॉल किया, विनय जी को किया कॉल जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आई, तृप्ति को किया, आपको भी किया, आपको भी पता है काफी बार आपसे बात हुई है इसके रिलेटेड. तो उससे क्या है हुआ है कि इंश्योरेंस की नॉलेज भी बढ़ी मेरी. और जो प्रीमियम कलेक्ट करने पे मेरे को हेल्प भी हुई, इंश्योरेंस बेचने पे भी हेल्प हुई.
यस, और आपको हमने ये भी बताया था कि इलस्ट्रेशन पढ़ लीजिए,
यस यस यस.
ब्रोशर पढ़
हाँ
लीजिए,
हाँ,
विच मेक्स
आई
यू
आई
मोर.
रीड ऑल ब्रोशर्स एंड कॉन्टेक्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक्चुअली क्या है कि वो उसमें जितने भी इंश्योरेंस आपके जो टाइम टू टाइम ये जितने भी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स हुए हैं, वो
हाँ
भी
जी, आपने अटेंड किए.
एक्चुअली मैंने हर सेशन उसको ज्वाइन किया है. उससे मुझे
राइट, राइट.
काफी हेल्प हुई.
यस.
तो with this, actually I started pitching client and starting explaining them about the product.
Correct. So there are two important things what I am getting from Mr. Vishal here. This is the benefit for all the audience, that a mindset change is required when you are into stockbroking, because you generally are so busy from 9 to 3:30 that you don't are not able to devote time. So the biggest strength Mr. Vishal as a stockbroker had, that he already had a good connection with 2 to 300 clients.
Yes.
Now when I say 200 clients, it is 200 into at least 4 to 5 people अगर आप पूरी family को पकड़ते हैं. So there are almost 600 to 700 individuals who are in different segments. And this is the biggest benefit a stockbroker can always get, that
Right.
you are directly connected with 2 to 300 clients. So at least reaching to these many people becomes easier for you. And the other thing, Mr. Vishal, what you rightly said is that you have to devote time. Really, if you want to build a new business or you want to scale a business, and insurance is difficult part. So constantly attending training programs, constantly reading the product features, brochures, and talking to us, solving doubts, it's very important. So Vishalji, uh, moving forward, once you got the confidence, once you also started getting knowledge, from where that trigger came, where when you started pitching this. So while pitching to the client, what was that trigger which made you feel that you can really do it?
Actually, client also actually asked so many questions that time. अभी भी क्वेश्चन जब क्लाइंट से बात करो तो उनके बहुत क्वेश्चंस होते हैं अभी भी बात करने पे. तो ये नॉलेज जब कभी भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो विनय भाई से या आपसे या पीएल इंश्योरेंस टीम से बात होती है, तो कई बार मैं कॉल पे भी कनेक्ट कर लेता हूँ सबको कि भाई आप थोड़ा सा समझाइए क्लाइंट को कि किस तरह से क्या करना है. तो वो अच्छे से बात हो जाती है क्लाइंट से.
Correct. So what you mean, what I'm getting from your answer is that the more you face the client, the more questions you get from the clients. Those questions help you also to brush up your knowledge and keep improvising and become an expert in that.
Right.
That's a very good practical point. Actually, the more we face the client and more we pitch the product, we will able to refine our knowledge, because clients will keep asking new questions, and you will have to keep searching for new answers or the right answers for that questions. So yes, I mean, it's a very practical approach, Vinay, Vishalji. which you have mentioned, and I really hope that all the partners and all the attendees here are listening and trying to pick whatever is suitable to them in terms of their own businesses when it comes to driving cross sales. Now, Vishalji, coming to the next question, uh, can you tell us about your secret formula for sales, because you had been consistently converting clients every month? Because initially एक दो महीना तो करना बहुत easy होता है, and we have seen that people start with huge excitement, but then slowly they are not able to sustain the business momentum. So if you can give us some insights about the sales formula or the sales secrets you are following, which is consistently converting you clients month on month. If you can just show or give us some insights on this, on your sales process.
Piyush bhai, the most important in insurance is the age of your client. So I have list of my client with their age group and budget.
Wow.
So I have my list with age group like young age, middle age and senior citizen. तो मैंने इस तरह से तीन कैटेगरी में एक फाइल बनाई हुई है जिसमें मैं उनका एज एंड बजट कि किस तरह से उनको मैं अप्रोच कर सकता हूँ प्लान्स अपने. So the client in the age group of below 35 are on top because
So,
at lower age bracket premium is low and people are medically fit. Yes, you अभी आपने ये जो प्लान क्लाइंट प्रोफाइल दिखाई है एज वाइज, तो सेम एज इट इज इसको मैं फॉलो करता हूँ जो मुझे हेल्प भी करती है काफी.
very good, very good. So this is something which is very important actually, that you have to, I mean, everybody who's in the sales of financial product has to keep profiling their clients, so that you know which client can be pitched what kind of products, what could be the need of that particular segment of clients. So we had been sharing this kind of one pager client profiling and product suitability matrices, and we will again share if you haven't got it. So I'm sure विशाल जी, ये जो मैट्रिक्स आपके पास आया हुआ है,
Yes,
this
yes.
initially helped you a lot in terms of refining your client profiles and then putting a sales process across the profiles, across the product suitability matrix, so that you can pitch it to the right client. So there's two very important things which are coming out here, is that you have to constantly keep creating a list of prospective clients who would be requiring a particular insurance product at any given point of time. And the success of Mr. Vishal Babbar's insurance cross sell also depends largely on creating this list of prospective clients. Now, this looks very simple, that ये list list कौन बनाएगा, we know our clients, but you have all these things in your mind. The moment you start putting down on paper or in a simple Excel sheet, name of the client, his or her family composition, his or her income, these things give you a lot of insights in terms of what products can be pitched. And this list becomes always handy, that these are the people who can be instantly approached. Because what problem everyone faces is, we have very limited time, so we cannot approach all the clients with all the products. Our sales strategy have to be very targeted and very focused. So I really appreciate, Vinay ji, that these kind of sheets and the material which Prabhudas Liladhar's insurance team is sending you is really helping you, and you are proactively creating a list of prospective clients. Now this actually is a very very important aspect actually, which I really appreciate in this session, that you are doing it in a methodological way. Now, moving forward, when you do the listing of your clients and when you do this profiling, what kind of insights you get, and any other triggers are there which basically help you in the conversions? If you can just
Uh,
share some more details.
yeah. Extending my answer of listing my client into age group. According, I plan which product I need to explain to them. I do my entire homework which product to pitch as per client behavior, whether he is young or aged, salaried or businessman. So this listing helped me in reaching out with best product.
Okay. Okay.
Right, Vishalji, you can add one more point now with your clients.
Yes.
How much existing insurance they have, whether
Yeah.
it is enough, that also can be triggered for selling more insurance.
Yeah.
If a particular client A has only one term plan of 50 lakhs, we can pitch another 50 lakhs or 1 CR to him and ask him to take more and tell him that he is underinsured.
Yeah. Right.
Insurance has to be fully, you have to be fully covered, be it life insurance or health insurance. You have done one or two health insurance also, I know that. So you can even pitch in this fashion also to your existing clients.
या एक्चुअली क्या है इसमें कि जब हम क्लाइंट से बात करते हैं तो बेसिकली वो क्या कहता है कि नहीं भाई मेरे पास आगे 2 प्लान हैं या मेरे पास 3 प्लान हैं, तो
हाँ
वो
जी।
डिपेंड करता है कि आप जब बात करते हो क्लाइंट से कि वो प्लान क्या उसके फाइनेंशियल गोल्स को मीट करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं उस
राइट,
टाइम पे। तो
वो
वो
इम्पोर्टेंट है।
राइट। तो उस टाइम पे जब हम चेक देखते हैं कि नहीं भाई अभी रिक्वायरमेंट आ सकती है तो हम क्लाइंट को बताते हैं तो वो क्या प्लान आपको सूट करेगा आगे फाइनेंशियल, जो आपके फाइनेंशियल गोल्स को मीट करेगा। तो वो काफी हेल्प हो जाता है कि क्लाइंट के लिए भी समझने के लिए कि भाई नहीं भाई अभी जरूरत है हमें, हम अभी एक और प्लान की जरूरत है मुझे।
Perfect, correct.
So Vishalji, you touched upon a very right point. So being into stockbroking, when you already have a good connect with all these clients, it helps a lot when you also keep tracking about their future goals, their financial goals. And ये भी एक बहुत अच्छी activity आप करते हैं, the kind of work you undertake in terms of, always, connecting their future goals of your clients with the insurance requirements and the planning part. The moment we touch upon the planning part, can you also tell us about how you prepare when you go for a call or a meeting with your prospective client? आप किस तरह की preparation करते हैं?
भाई आई एक्चुअली मैं पहले 1 से 2 जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मेरी लिस्ट में, मैं पहले उसको अच्छे से बना लेता हूँ कि किसी क्लाइंट को, जब मैं किसी क्लाइंट को मिलने जा रहा हूँ या उससे कॉल कर रहा हूँ तो उसकी एक्चुअल रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है। तो जब उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट आप समझ लेते हो किसी भी क्लाइंट की, तो आपके लिए इजी हो जाता है आपको उसको प्रोडक्ट समझाना कि आपको ये प्रोडक्ट आपके जो मैंने अभी बताया थोड़ी देर पहले कि फाइनेंशियल गोल्स को मीट करता है या नहीं करता। तो
Correct.
उसको ये हेल्प करता है कि भाई जब आप उसको समझाते हो तो उसके लिए भी इजी हो जाता है कि नहीं भाई ये प्लान जो हमें बताया जा रहा है वो प्लान मेरे लिए वाकई वो सूट करता है। अभी जैसे रिसेंटली मैंने अभी एक क्लाइंट था मेरे, उन्होंने एक प्लान मैं उनको समझा रहा था पिछले 2 महीने से। तो वो 2 महीने से प्लान जब मैं समझा रहा था उनको एक एचडीएफसी का, तो वो 2 महीने से मेरे को यही कह रहे थे कि भाई मैं देखता हूँ अभी प्लान, मुझे अच्छा तो लग रहा है लेकिन मैं बताता हूँ आपको। लेकिन थर्ड मंथ में जब मैंने उनसे एक्चुअल बात की कि भाई आप क्या वजह हो गई कि 2 महीने से आप अभी कह रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं मुझे प्लान एक्चुअली आपने 10 साल का बताया है लेकिन मेरे को और छोटे टाइम के लिए चाहिए और जो रिटर्न है वो मुझे एक साथ चाहिए। तो उसी टाइम मैंने विनय जी को कॉल किया कि इस तरह से कोई प्लान है क्या? तो उन्होंने बोला कि भाई ये आईसीआईसी का एक एसिप का प्लान है तो आप ये उनको बता सकते हो। तो मैंने जैसे उनको ये वाला प्लान बताया तो नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने उसका प्रीमियम पे कर दिया क्योंकि उनको उनके हिसाब से वो सूट कर रहा था। तो वैसे तो मैं मैक्सिमम क्या है कि जब भी किसी क्लाइंट से बात करता हूँ या उनसे मिलता हूँ, तो पहले मैं एक प्लान बना लेता हूँ कि उनको कौन-सा प्लान, और अगर मैं कोई प्लान लेके जा रहा हूँ, तो वो कैसे समझा सकता हूँ कि उनको वो कैसे हेल्प करेगा।
Great. So typically, preparing and doing your homework before the client meeting is very, very essential, so that when you are pitching the products to them, you are touching the right points. So Vishalji, moving to the next question. What makes a good insurance pitch for you?
For actually for different clients have a different pitch. The important is how many client give financial protection to their families in case of his death. But I made them think that how they manage their family and risk management. Uh, with this is showcase then the tax benefit. अभी एफडी रिटर्न्स के जो है वो काफी नीचे आ चुकी हैं एंड आल्सो टैक्सेबल. So
Correct.
here they can save tax also.
Hmm.
So I tried to convince my client basis all these points.
Great. So one is the family's risk management, and the other is definitely the taxation aspect. And the
Yeah,
third pitch possibly is the falling FD returns, where you can match it with a better return from the guaranteed products, which are completely tax free from insurance perspective. So this constitutes definitely a good pitch, and I'm glad that you are using all the pitches and the materials which you are learning from the training sessions, and also learning by uh, meeting the clients and really doing the transactions.
yes, yes, yes.
So
एक्चुअली
okay.
मेरे काफी एक्चुअली क्लाइंट्स हैं जो अभी एफडी में पैसा डला हुआ है उनका. तो
Hmm.
उनको ये बताना कि भाई अभी क्या है कि एफडी की रिटर्न्स काफी नीचे आ चुकी हैं और टैक्सेबल भी हैं एफडीज. तो इंश्योरेंस जो है, जो हमारे ये फिक्स प्लान है, वो हम उनको इजीली बेच सकते हैं कि वहां पे उनको टैक्स फ्री रिटर्न आ रही है.
Correct. And it is more than the FD returns.
यस.
Very good. So Vishalji, you have been sharing very superb insights, and I'm sure all the audiences are also getting benefit of the practical scenarios and examples. Actually, what you are telling us. So with this more, what kind of targets you have kept for the upcoming time, or the upcoming January, February, and March month, which are hot months in the insurance season. So what kind of revenue target, or business plans you have kept for yourself?
या ये जनवरी, फरवरी एंड मार्च जो नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर है आर पीक सीजन ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. Because there are many people who want to buy many insurance like tax saving. uh, so I have a big plan. मेरा plan है कि I collect at least 1 crore premium and I'm working towards that. I'm
Wow,
creating
that's
yeah. I'm
Excellent. We will help you,
yes, yes, sure.
Vishalji.
Thank
Please.
you, thank you. Actually, I'm creating listing and also word of mouth works well. Uh, मैंने अभी तक 150 से 200 पीपल की लिस्ट तैयार ऑलरेडी कर चुकी है. तो
Okay.
जो मैं जनवरी में ऑलमोस्ट 250 300 तक क्लाइंट्स की ये लिस्ट ले जाऊंगा कि जो मुझे हेल्प करे वो ये गोल अचीव करने के लिए.
great. So Vishalji, summing up your success and the sales strategy, the overall sales strategy success, which basically you have implemented, a very successful strategy. It consists of actually constantly improving your knowledge, constantly touching base with the clients through WhatsApp or whatever channel you are trying to do the awareness and create the awareness part. And one of the biggest things what I understand is that you constantly keep creating a list of prospective clients, and by creating this list you know what products to be pitched, and apart from creating this list you are also asking for the references and introductions of other clients also from these new clients. I mean, these clients are also referring you new clients. That's what
Right,
I'm
right.
able to gather from the overall conversation. So that constitutes it's a great sales strategy. In fact, taking a reference or introduction from existing clients who is happy with your service or satisfied with your service is one of the best models or methods of increasing and scaling your business.
Yes,
So
right.
Vishalji, we are almost at the end of this session.
Mhm.
uh, so whatever we are hearing and whatever you told us, three things emerge from this: that cross selling insurance is important to diversify your revenue streams. Secondly, insurance as a product perfectly fits into the financial advisory basket which you as a stockbroker are already offering to your existing clients. Third very important thing is, being into stockbroking, you have a direct one-to-one relationship with so many clients that penetrating or entering into, that those areas, creating a list of prospect clients becomes much easier for you. So this is something which definitely I'm sure that everybody will benefit, and this is to all the attendees and all our esteemed channel partners, that to create a successful and a scalable business, you will have to devote some time. You will have to build some expertise on the product side, which PL team is always there to help. And you will have to constantly engage with your clients with some or the other selling models or pitching models, so that you keep improvising and keep your pipelines full. For sales, the funnel or the pipeline is very important. And of course, as uh, Mr. Vishal has demonstrated, and the kind of now targets he is keeping for his business are a testimony that actually अगर आप इसके पीछे time devote करेंगे, this business piece can become a very good revenue earning business models for you. So to this conversation, we are almost since at the end. Vikas, if you want to add something from your side.
Vishal, thank you so much for showing this, coming and speaking out हमारे सब brokers और हमारे teams के सामने.
Thank you. Thank you.
ये इंश्योरेंस जो है वो बहुत ही पर्सनल सेलिंग में मानता हूँ, और इसको करना हर किसी की बस की बात नहीं है. बट अगर कोई करना चालू कर देवे तो उसके बेनिफिट्स बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म होते हैं. आप कमाओगे, आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स कमाएंगे. लेगेसी बिजनेस हम इसको मानते हैं. और अगर हम सब जो आज ये ऑडियंस में हैं, अभी 73 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये अगर आप सब ब्रोकर हो तो आपके लिए ये एक रिकरिंग एफडी जैसे इनकम जैसा बिजनेस है. अगर आप एम्प्लॉय तो आपको कमाने का बहुत ही आसान तरीका है. आपको एटलीस्ट एक हफ्ते में 1-2 घंटा इंश्योरेंस के ऊपर कुछ एफर्ट डालना चाहिए. समझना चाहिए कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बिक रहा है, कौन सा कस्टमर की नीड क्या हो सकती है, उसके सामने कौन सा बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट अपने पास है. हमारे इंश्योरेंस के टीम में पीयूष, तृप्ति और हमारी जो सेंट्रल टीम PLBD, वो सब ये सब चीज़ में लगी पड़ी है, हेल्प करने के लिए अवेलेबल है. डायरेक्ट इंश्योरेंस के लोग हैं जो हेल्प कर सकते हैं. So once again, thank you so much, Vishal. Hope to see you achieve your targets.
Thank
I
you.
hope that we have many more Vishals that will be developed now after this webinar. If you have any questions या आपके कोई बात आप बोल नहीं पाए या हम जवाब नहीं दे पाए, तो आप पीयूष को और तृप्ति को आप मेल लिख सकते हैं. PLBD को आप मेल लिख सकते हैं, plbd@plindia.com. तो हम लोग आपका जवाब देंगे, आपको हेल्प करेंगे. Thank you so
Vishal
much.
ji, I would like to add one more thing.
Yes.
With respect to other insurance companies, HDFC Life is totally online. So the support only from Vinay and myself.
Yes.
For ICICI Prudential and Bajaj Alliance, we have ground staff of the at each location. So Noida भी आपको ICICI का help मिलेगा, Bajaj का भी help मिलेगा. So they can even come to your client if you are not able to pitch the product. So that benefit you will definitely get. Your numbers are, we will share you also the numbers. We will also share it to you. So that you don't worry. Now HDFC तो आप संचय प्लस में तो आप मास्टर हो गए हो.
ठीक है.
मास्टर हो गए क्योंकि आप खुद ही प्रपोजल फॉर्म भर देते हो, डॉक्यूमेंट्स करते हो. सिर्फ इनिशियली यू हैड सम डिफिकल्टी व्हिच यू आई हेल्प्ड यू. सो दैट्स वंडरफुल. आई रियली applaud and tell everybody out there that only once I had explained him how to fill the proposal form, and all the balance 6 policies he's done it on his own.
Thank you.
Anyways, it was a great session. So we thank all the attendees for their precious time, and thank you Vishalji once again for sharing the
thank you Vikasji.
Thank you
Piyushji. Thank you Tripti.
Thank you Vishalji.